Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural foaming lash extension cleanser. Now let me show you just how easy it is. We're making this natural foaming eyelash extension cleanser. We use a dedicated cleanser for lash extensions to protect the adhesive that bonds the eyelash extensions to the natural lashes. The adhesive is sensitive to oils, which can weaken it over time, and to certain solvents and surfactants that can speed up the breakdown. So we'll start with the water phase, and to that I'm going to add in some organic hydrosol. Now the organic hydrosol is mainly just for aroma because we want to avoid synthetic fragrances and essential oils around the eye area. Now I'm adding in some natural betaine, which is a byproduct of sugar production. Betaine is known for its moisturizing benefits on both the hair and the skin, and it dissolves easily in water, so it mixes in quite easily. And because there's no heating in this formula, I can add in my naturally derived broad spectrum preservative now. Once the betaine has completely dissolved into the water phase, you can add the surfactant. I'm using Soficol, which is a 100% naturally derived, Cosmos approved, collagen-based mild surfactant. Now I'm just going to add the Soficol and stir it in gently because I don't want to introduce any bubbles into the formula. Now we can check and adjust the pH to suit the delicate eye area before pouring off into a non-aerosol foaming pump dispenser. And then we have this super easy foam dispersing natural eyelash extension cleanser. See? And that's how easy it is to make a natural foaming lash extension cleanser. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!